In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can verify your WordPress website with Google Search Console. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos related to WordPress, web design and web development. So just follow these steps to verify your WordPress website. Currently, I am in my website's dashboard and you need to go into plugins, then add new. Then search for the plugin called insert header and footers. This is the plugin by WP Beginner you need to install. I will link it below in the video description also. So I will click install now and then activate it. Once the plugin is activated, you can find it inside settings and insert headers and footers. So this is the interface for insert headers and footers plugin, script in header, script in body, script in footer. So for script in header we need script. So to get it you need to go into Google Search Console. So go to Google Search Console's website and on the left sidebar click on add property. Then again click add property and out of these two options choose URL prefix. So you need to make sure to enter the correct address. To find out the correct address, you can go into your WordPress dashboard, then under setting go into journal and you can copy your WordPress URL from here. Now paste it here and click continue. Now it's saying that you have multiple options to choose from for the verification and HTML file is recommended one. But we are not going to choose HTML file method. We are going to choose HTML tag method. So click on HTML tag and copy this tag. It's saying that it should go in the head section before the first body. So once you copied, go back into your WordPress, then in settings go into insert headers and footers and paste it in the header. Once you paste it, save the settings. The settings are saved. Now you can go back into your Google Search Console and click verify. It's saying checking verification and the ownership has been verified.